Hi everybody, it's Jiggy Gal, and we're here to open up another package from Vape Wild USA. It's just vapewild.com. It's just a little order I placed the other day and came in the mail in a couple days, and we're going to open this up. Came priority mail. I think we got free shipping when you ordered $30 or more. You get free shipping. Just struggling with the package here. There we go. Oh, how wonderful. There's a package inside a package. Okay. Alright, there we go. There we go. I think we're in. And we are. Okay. Well, I do like their packaging, people. I do like their packaging. Comes in a cute little Vape Wild packaging. It is sealed, but mine wasn't at the time, but it does come sealed. It says, "Thanks, Marcia. Stay wild. Wyatt? Walt? I think Walt packaged our thing, and it says Happy Valentine's Day on it." I'm gonna open this up. And we have our little invoice here. Vape Wild. Call 844-328-9445. Email help@vapewild.com. 4550 Excel Parkway, Suite 100, Addison, Texas 75001. Here is my billing details and shipping details. My order number. The order date was the 10th of February 2017. Here's what it contains. Important notice: e-cigarettes. The FDA prohibits selling to individuals under the age requirement in your prospective state. It looks like 8 things in here. Okay. Dump this out here. See what we got. We got a nice little resealable bag here. Resealable bag. If you want to use that for anything. Okay, first thing off the bat I see here is my number, or whatever, 8 pipettes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 3-milliliter pipettes. And then I see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. These are 10 milliliter 10 pack of bottles, and they're really nice quality bottles. So we have those. Then we have some Happy Valentine's Day to you from Mars, and it looks like it's get it open here. Hello, a Valentine's Day for you. I guess it's a coupon code for next time I want to use it. It's Valentine's Day coupon code, I believe it is. This here is just a card. Talks about oh, don't forget the 4 C's: Japanese organic cotton, Cantel wire, battery cases, replacement coils. How to steep Wild, Vape Wild e-liquid. Open the goodies. Vape Wild, good idea, bad idea. Shake your bottles daily, good idea, bad idea. Store in a cool, dark place, good idea, bad idea. Waiting room, wait for it. 2 weeks later, enjoy. So it's a little thing on how to steep your juices. Here's a little sticker. It says Vape Wild, a little sticker. Okay. And then on to the juices and such. And it looks as if they've given us some more freebies as well. So we've got a lot of juices to share with you guys here. Okay. First up, we have strawberry. We have 3 bottles. I can show you here. 1, 2, 3. 3 30 milliliter bottles of strawberry e-juice liquid, which is the flavoring only. We got 3 of those. Please excuse the chainsaws in the background. The electric people are here. The electric people are here cutting the bushes. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3 bottles of French vanilla wild Vape Wild juice flavoring for your mixing your DIY liquids. We have 3 of those. Then we have let's see, we have wow, we have a lot of freebies. We have the ones I ordered were Ruby Red Grapefruit, 10 milliliter bottle of juice. That's the flavor. These are all flavors. Salted caramel, 10 milliliters. Flavor juice. White chocolate flavor juice. And then we have here, these are pre-mixed e-juices. Looks as if they're, this one's 3, this one's 3, this one's 3, this one's 6. Okay, this one's 6 milliliters on the nick, and it's looks like it's maybe I'm not sure here, hard to tell. Maybe it says 65 VG. It's You Killing Me S'mores. It's juice, ready to smoke. We're going to have to steep that. This is 65 VG, 3 milliliters. This is Mystery 17, Mystery February 17. This one's Bombshell Batter, 65 VG, 3 milliliters nicotine. And this one here is American Pie, and it is 3 milliliters nicotine, 65 VG. And those were all freebies, 4 of them, 4 freebies this time around. They are really nice about giving you some freebies and helping you out and stuff. And that was everything on this order. So we had the white chocolate, salted caramel, French vanilla, ruby red grapefruit, strawberry, all on the e-juice flavors only. We didn't get anything else. We got the 4 flavors of pre-made e-juice. One was a 6 milliliter on the nick, and the other 3 were 3 milliliter. Looked like they were about 65 milligrams on the VG. We had Bombshell Batter, American Pie, You Killing Me S'mores, and Mystery Flavor 17, February. And then we had the pipettes. We had 8 of them. And then we had the 10 milliliter bottles of empty bottles, and there was 10 of those, 10 milliliter. So that is what we had for them. I'll put the links in the description for contact information if you want to get a hold of these people and place an order yourself or go check them out. That would be great. Thank you so much, and we will check you on the flip-flop. Bye.